Whew, this thing is surprisingly heavy. If you have ever struggled to keep a ship's keels perfectly straight, fought with misaligned bulkheads, or wished you had an extra pair of hands during a build, this might be the tool you have been looking for. Today, we are unboxing, assembling, and putting to the test HobbyZone's Professional Building Slip, a fully adjustable shipbuilding jig designed specifically for long-keel vessel models. It promises better alignment, greater accuracy, and a much easier building experience. But does it actually deliver? Let's open the box and find out. The building slip arrives as a kit and includes a clear, straightforward assembly instruction. Everything is carefully packaged and protected with foam wrapping. And my first impression is just how substantial the components feel. All the parts are made from HDF, giving the structure excellent weight and rigidity. Compared to the MDF commonly found in wooden ship model kits, HDF is manufactured under much higher pressure, making it denser, stronger, and more resistant to moisture. For a precision tool that's designed to hold the model perfectly aligned during construction, that's a significant advantage. The components are CNC machined with impressive accuracy. The cuts are clean, the edges are crisp, and the fit between parts is excellent. Just take a look at this countersinks for the nuts and the screws. Smooth, precise, and professionally finished. The overall quality immediately gives the impression of a well-engineered workshop tool rather than just another model building accessory. Alright, let's put it together. The instructions recommend using a utility knife to remove the parts, but I find that a wooden carving knife works even better. It provides more control and makes separating the parts cleaner and easier. Other than that, the assembly process is smooth and straightforward. The parts fit together precisely, and the entire structure comes together without any surprises. For those unfamiliar with the company, HobbyZone is a Polish manufacturer specializing in high-quality workshop organization systems and specialized assembly tools for model builders and hobbyists. They are perhaps best known for their modular workshop system, which use built-in magnets to create customizable and expandable desktop storage solutions tailored to different paint brands, tools, and accessories. Beyond workshop organization, HobbyZone also produces a range of practical building jigs and portable project stations. This professional building slip has been on the market for over a decade, first appearing around 2015, and has become one of the HobbyZone's most recognized tools among ship and boat model builders.
clear a bottle, a cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve.
Before we put it to work, there's one small thing I'd like to nitpick. To tighten the bracket hardware, you will need a 5/16 socket or wrench. HobbyZone, if you're watching, this might be something worth considering in a future update. Personally, I would much prefer thumb or wing screws instead of standard bolts. It would make adjustment much faster and improve the overall user experience, especially when frequently repositioning the brackets during a build. With everything assembled, the building slip weighs in at approximately 13.4 pounds, or just over 6 kilograms. Remember when I mentioned how heavy the parts felt during the unboxing? Well, that weight translated directly into stability on the workbench, which is exactly what you want from a precision alignment tool. All of the holding brackets are fully adjustable, allowing you to positioning them exactly where they're needed. The engraved measurement markings along the base are especially useful, making it easy to achieve accurate and repeatable alignment when setting up a model. The slip can accommodate models up to approximately 37.5 inches or 96 centimeters in length. The adjustable bracket jaws can open to about 0.28 inches or 7 millimeters, providing plenty of clearance for the vast majority of wooden ship model keels on the market. In practical terms, this means the slip is more than capable of handling large and popular kits such as the HMS Victory, USS Constitution, and many other wooden ship models of similar size. At the time of making this video, the professional building slip sells for just under $90 before shipping and tax from HobbyZone's official website. In my opinion, that's actually a very reasonable price. A perfectly flat board of comparable size and quality can easily cost $40 to $50 on its own at a local hardware store. And that's before adding all of the adjustable brackets, hardware, measuring scales, and precision machined components that make this tool so useful. If you are serious about building larger wooden ship models and want a reliable keel alignment system that can serve you for years, this is definitely a tool worth considering. I will leave a link in the video description below if you would like to learn more or check current pricing. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.